A plastic tube suddenly rockets across your driveway like an unguided missile. That is the exact reality for countless buyers of a recent viral hardware sensation. The Bullseye Blower is currently blanketing television screens and social media feeds with promises of unstoppable hurricane-force wind. The commercials show this compact, battery-powered tool blasting away heavy yard debris with ease. They want you to believe it is a magical powerhouse. However, the shiny marketing hides a very different reality. We need to look closely at what happens when this hyped-up gadget actually hits the real world. Recent consumer data paints a rather embarrassing picture for this supposed heavy-duty tool. The ultra-fast motor certainly sounds impressive on paper. It screams with a high-pitched whine when you crank it to maximum speed. But that screaming comes with a hidden cost. The volume hits dangerously loud levels. You absolutely must wear heavy-duty ear protection just to turn the thing on a crucial detail. Those viral commercials conveniently leave out. Performance out in the elements is where the real tragedy begins. If you want to clear dry sawdust off a workbench, this little machine performs brilliantly. It moves dry, light materials without breaking a sweat. But the moment moisture enters the chat, the machine practically surrenders. Consumer data from major retailers like Target and Walmart confirms a brutal truth. When users try to move light snow or damp grass, the power drops to zero. It completely chokes on wet debris. It is marketed as a total yard replacement, yet the reality is that it cannot even handle a standard autumn morning. Then we have the alarming hardware defect. Remember that unguided missile I mentioned at the start? The nozzle attachments on this unit have a severe locking failure. People are turning the power on only to watch the front extension physically shoot off the machine. That is not just mildly annoying, that is a glaring manufacturing flaw. Adding insult to injury, the logistics are a total mess. If you buy this tool through a third-party retailer, you might not even get all the parts. Customers frequently report opening their boxes to find the heavily advertised free extension pole completely missing. You are paying for a premium yard tool experience. Instead, you get missing parts, a deafening motor, and attachments that launch themselves across the lawn. So, what is the actual verdict here? The Bullseye Blower is absolutely not a leaf blower. It is a total failure for serious outdoor landscaping. However, it does have a place. Because of its incredibly lightweight design, it serves perfectly as a workshop duster. It is fantastic for blasting crumbs out of car mats. It works wonders on a dusty computer keyboard. Just do yourself a massive favor if you actually buy one. Check that nozzle connection the absolute second you pull it out of the box. Do not let the flashy television hype drain your wallet. Understand exactly what this tool is before expecting it to clear your entire lawn.